Valve is returning to the hardware market. In 2026, they are launching the Steam Machine, a cube aimed directly at the living room console market. This hardware builds on the software success of the Steam Deck, bringing that same Linux-based operating system to your television. The baseline specifications include an AMD Zen 4 processor and RDNA 3 graphics architecture. These components are essentially highly optimized laptop silicon housed within a thermally efficient desktop chassis. Valve is selling a friction-free console experience designed to move your entire Steam library from the desk to the television. Budget PC building is difficult right now. Soaring component prices and a global memory shortage have made entry-level rigs more expensive than ever. You have to choose between the out-of-the-box simplicity of Valve's hardware and the modular freedom of building a custom PC. Valve is promising a 4K living room experience for the price of a budget custom rig. This leaves you with a core dilemma. Is this device a budget savior or a restrictive trap that limits your future performance? Selecting the right path requires deciding exactly which compromises you're willing to make for the sake of convenience. The Steam Machine's graphical power sits roughly level with a mid-tier desktop RX 7600 or a laptop RTX 3060. The system faces a specific technical bottleneck. The semi-custom GPU is strictly limited to 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This chart shows VRAM usage of modern AAA titles at 4K. Most high-end games push well past that 8 GB limit. Valve reaches 4K 60 FPS by relying on AMD FSR upscaling, lowering internal render resolution to stay within the limit before stretching the image back up. A custom PC build allows you to avoid this by prioritizing a GPU with 16 GB of VRAM from the start. Custom builds also provide access to NVIDIA's upscaling technology, including DLSS 4.5 and frame generation, which currently outperform AMD software solutions. While the marketing focuses on 4K, the Steam Machine actually delivers a highly optimized native 1080p or 1440p experience. You gain immediate plug-and-play TV gaming, but you sacrifice the high-end texture quality and long-term future-proofing of a custom PC. The software side creates a clear divide: Valve's custom Linux-based SteamOS versus Microsoft Windows 11. This scorecard compares the system overhead for each OS. SteamOS maintains a minimal footprint, while Windows 11 consumes heavy background resources. That lack of bloat results in snappier menus, instant resume features, and better frame pacing. However, Valve's Proton compatibility layer currently cannot bypass kernel-level anti-cheat software. This makes massive competitive titles like Fortnite, Valorant, and Battlefield unplayable on the Steam Machine. If you rely on non-Steam launchers or competitive shooters, building a Windows PC is mandatory. SteamOS provides a pure, focused gaming environment at the cost of being locked out of major competitive multiplayer ecosystems. The Steam Machine's compact cube utilizes the power supply as its main chassis. A single 120mm fan keeps the entire system thermally efficient and quiet. This design mimics the minimalist aesthetic of modern consoles, fitting easily into a standard living room setup. That compact form factor comes with a catch. You are locked into a fixed hardware lifespan. On the DIY market, you can swap out an aging CPU or GPU years later to keep your performance current. With the Steam Machine, the only internal upgrade path is expanding your M.2 storage. When the hardware eventually ages out, you must replace the entire unit, just like a traditional console. We can route your decision based on your setup. If you have an RTX 3070, an RX 7600 XT, or better, skip this purchase. You have superior hardware. If you exclusively play competitive shooters with anti-cheat software, you must build a Windows rig. The Steam Machine is built for console gamers who want to access their Steam library without the complexity of a PC build. It is also an immediate upgrade for anyone still gaming on a GTX 1060 or an RTX 2060. The Steam Machine is the smartest hardware purchase of 2026, only if you fit precisely into that demographic of friction-free upgraders. This hardware is not intended to beat a high-end custom PC in a battle of raw benchmarks. Its long-term success in the living room depends entirely on making you completely forget you are using a desktop computer at all. The choice rests on whether you want gaming to be a hobby of building and tweaking, or an appliance you simply plug in and play.